Opportunity Management with SAP Business by Design. Improving Sales Effectiveness. In this demo, you'll see how the SAP Business by Design solution enables you to manage leads, sales opportunities, quotes, and customer orders. SAP Business by Design is an integrated solution that's delivered on demand through a single interface and supports core business processes for small and mid-sized businesses. In this example, I'm a marketing manager at my company and have just completed a marketing campaign. I want to enter a new lead in SAP Business by Design manually. In most cases, this would be inefficient unless there were only a few leads. SAP Business by Design also supports the uploading of large numbers of leads to the solution from Microsoft Excel. To enter a lead manually, I select New Lead from the Common Task list in the Marketing Work Center. This opens the New Lead window where I'll enter the contact details. I begin entering the company name, Silver Star Wholesale Corporation, and the rest is pre-filled from the company master list because my company already has a relationship with Silver Star. Next, I enter the opportunity description. In the qualification field, I categorize it as a hot opportunity due to the level of interest that Silver Star expressed and select the source from the menu options. Finally, I want to assign the lead to the account sales rep. I add a note to help her, save the lead, and click the handover button to send it to the sales queue. In this example, I'm a sales rep at my company. I open my new Business Work Center, select Open Tasks from the Show field, and see the lead that has just been handed over to me. I click on the lead. This opens the lead overview window where I click on the Edit button to view the details. Satisfied that it meets my company's qualification criteria, I click the Accept button, select Accept and Follow-up Opportunity, and select the appropriate reason in the pop-up status box. Now I return to my new Business Work Center, refresh the list, open the opportunities, and see that the table view is already selected. I click on the opportunity I just accepted, and that opens the Opportunity Overview window. This screen allows me to see detailed information about the Silver Star opportunity. I click the Edit button to update the pipeline status. I select Quotation from the drop-down list and save my changes. Now, I want to review the status of my pipeline, so I return to the new Business Work Center and select the Opportunity Pipeline view. Here, I can look at several views of my opportunities to give me a sense of how I'm performing against quota. Now, I return to the new Business Work Center to create a quote for Silver Star. I click on the Follow-up button and from the drop-down menu, select Sales Quote. This launches the new Sales Quote screen where many of the account's details are pre-populated. I move to the Items box and enter the data needed to create the quote. Product information is selected from a drop-down list. I enter the quantity and the quote is calculated automatically. Company policy requires that sales quotes over a certain amount be approved before being sent to the customer, so I click the Approval Note tab and enter a note to my boss. I save the quote and click the Submit button to send it to my manager for approval. In this example, I'm a Regional Sales VP of the company. I click Managing My Area in SAP Business by Design and see the Approvals view. I select the sales quote from the list and click the Edit button. I review the details, write a quick note to the sales rep, and click the Approve button to release the quote to the prospect. Returning to the Sales Associate's perspective, in the Sales Quotes view in my new Business Work Center, I see that Silver Star has accepted the quote. Now I need to submit the order. From the Sales Quotes view, I select Today's Quotes and click Go to run the query. I highlight the Silver Star opportunity and click on the Follow-up button. From the drop-down list, I select Sales Order. This opens the new Sales Order window. I click the View All button and click the Document Flow tab. The information there confirms that all the steps have been completed and the order is ready for processing. To process the order, I click the Submit button and select Release Order from the drop-down list. As you have seen, SAP Business by Design helps you with essential activities to boost sales, including entering a new lead, accepting an opportunity, managing the pipeline, creating and approving a quote, and creating and releasing a sales order.